Today, I'm going to show you how to blur an image in Canva, updated for 2025. This is a super handy technique whether you're designing a presentation, a social media post, or a graphic for your website. Blurring can help you emphasize certain parts of your image while softening others, creating a polished, professional look. To get started, open Canva and pick the design or image you want to work with. If your image isn't uploaded yet, click on the Uploads tab and add it from your computer or device. Once it's on the canvas, click directly on the image to make sure it's selected. This will bring up all the editing options available for the image. Next, look at the top toolbar and click on Edit Image. You'll see a variety of adjustments, including brightness, contrast, and a collection of effects. Scroll through these options until you find blur. Click on it and you'll be able to adjust how much blur you want to apply. Canva also gives you the option to use a blur brush, which lets you blur specific areas instead of the entire image. Select the brush and simply drag it over the parts you want to soften. You can adjust the intensity to make the blur stronger or subtler, depending on the effect you want. This is perfect for blurring backgrounds, faces, or any part of the image you want to de-emphasize while keeping the main subject sharp. Take your time with this step. Small, careful strokes often look better than applying too much blur all at once. Once you're happy with how it looks, zoom out to see your entire design and make sure the blurred areas blend naturally with the rest of your image. Finally, save your edited image by clicking the download button and selecting your preferred format. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've added a professional looking blur to your image, giving it depth and focus. I hope this guide helps you feel more confident using Canva's blur tools for your creative projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tutorials for tips and tricks to make your design stand out. Happy designing.